Hey everyone, my name is Gavin, and this will just be a quick tutorial on how to randomize the item pickup loot that your player gets in the game. And I'm just going to get started. So to start off, let's go from defaults to game logic, blender, render, blender, game. And on our cube in the middle, let's add an always sensor like this, and let's add a near sensor like this. Alright, now that we've got this, let's rename this near sensor as near. And for the property, let's put just objects. Yeah, object like this. And let's put within a distance of 3. Alright, now that we have this, what we're going to do is add a Python controller and connect it like this. What we want to do now is add a game property. This game property will be, let's just have it be number, like this. Hit this I right here and do game and then show debug properties. And if we hit P, we should be able to see cube number in the top left corner. Now that we have this, let's do templates, Python, and then game logic simple. Drag this out and delete the portion that I've highlighted. Hit control and scroll up on your mouse to make your text larger and rename this as scripts.py. Now that we have this, let's add that script right here and minimize this. Okay, now that we have this, we need to actually import random inside of our scripts so that we can randomize information. And what we're going to do is define our near sensor. Near is going to equal controller.sensors near. And what we're going to do is have if near.positive. What we're going to do is have own number, that game property, is going to plus equal a random.randint or random integer between 2 and 10. And then what we're going to do is do near.hitObjects.endObject. So essentially it's going to delete the object that we're near if we're next to it. Okay, now that we have this, what we're going to do is add a keyboard sensor. I'll just put spacebar for now. And what we're going to do is have this move our cube forward on the positive y-axis. And this is so that we can pick up items along the way. So if we hit P, we should be able to move our cube forward like this. On our cube, what we're going to do is hit this right here, make it an actor, and so essentially what this is going to do is have it so that our cube can react to other objects in the game. Alright, let's do spacebar and then add a cube. These cubes over here are going to be actors as well, with the property object. So if we do game and then physics visualization, we should see that if we get within this object range, it's going to delete the object and it's going to add a random amount of a random integer to our number. So as you can see in this last one, it added 7. I'm going to copy this a couple of times, like once right here and once right here. And we should see if I hit the spacebar and click this first one, it added a random amount, which was 8. And then added a random amount, which was 4. And then it added a random amount again, which was 8. Alright, so this has been a quick tutorial on how to randomize ammo loots with Python and the BGE. I hope you all find this very useful. There's your script.